Yeah, so this is just your Truma system. So first you decide if you're going to be on gas or electric. So it's either gas, or when you're plugged in you can have it on EL2. We don't use the mix in between. So at the moment we're only on gas. We'll activate the gas. Okay, that one is to heat your water. So you've got 3 options there: eco, hot or boost. So we'll leave it for now on boost. So we just push the button to activate it. So you can see above the line it shows we're running off gas and it's heating the water. Now to heat your house, you just turn it slightly to the left, click on the button. Now you can select your temperature, whatever temperature you want. If you want 21 degrees, you just push the button. That's to confirm it. So you got the heating system going, you got the water heating up as well, and it's on gas. And all the way there to the right you got a little fan. So it's eco or high. That's just the fan speed. Down here you got a timer, so you can select the timer when you want it to start or turn off. That one just sets the clock. And the one on the far end, that's just a little spanner, so anything that needs resetting we reset there.